Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to check Hotmail login history. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a hotmail.com and press enter. Then get logged into your account by providing proper account credential, that is your login ID and password. You will be directed to the inbox page of Hotmail account. Here you need to click on the profile icon on top right corner. You click on My Microsoft account. Here under Microsoft account page, you can see the option of security on top. You click on it. For further process, you need to provide your Hotmail account password. Click on sign in. At the very first, you can see the option of sign in activity. Just below it, you can see view my activity. Click on it. Here, you can see all the information of when and where you have been signed in to your Hotmail account, along with the location. This is how you can check login history of your Hotmail account. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to check Hotmail login history. Thank you.